Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We are here to solve this clone Sudoku by Japanese author Yosuke Imai. It's from the recent WPF Sudoku Grand Prix. And there was a visual theme with digit 3, which you can see appears in 3 shaded regions here and in this group of given digits as well. So this is a clone Sudoku, which means that those regions, those shaded shapes, contain exactly the same digits in the same place, in the same places, which means that, for example, this digit is the same as this and the same as this. All right, so where do we begin? Well, this is a decent question. And I think those digits here are very constrained because they are the same as those, which means that they are different from 5, 7, 6, 8, 9. So those are from 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is different from 2 and from 3. So this digit here is from 1 and 4. And this digit here, well, it's different from 4, obviously. So this is from 1, 2, 3. 9 here will appear somewhere there, which means somewhere there and there. So I just pencil mark this in this fashion. Now where as well? Let's just move on. This digit here is different from 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7. So it's from 1, 8, and 9. I think that's correct. This digit here is different from 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2, and 5. So this is from 1, 3, and 4. And it's different from 3 as well. So this is from 1, 4, which means that we have a 1, 4 pair. We can remove 1 from the candidates in all those cells. All right. So what next? Those digits now, they must be different from 1, 4, from 3, from 2. So they are between 5 and 9. But here we have 5, 8. So those are from 6, 7, 9. This could be any digit between 5 and 8. So I want pencil mark 4 candidates, I think. Something interesting here is that 6, by Sudoku, 6 is here. And by Sudoku, there is a 6 in one of those two cells. So 6 in one of those two cells, and because of this 6, the 6 finally goes there. Something else of interest is this 7. This 7 is not here, so it must be in one of those two places. Well, this still looks possible. So what about those? Those are different from 1, 4, 6, 9, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. So they are from 5, 7, and 8. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something. Is it? 5 is in here, definitely. So, oh, that's interesting because 5 is not in here, so in the column 5 must be here. And those are 1, 2, and 3. So with this, that's the 3, and those are 1 and 2. So now this is not from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is from 7, 8, 9, and it's not a 7 because of this. So this here is from 8-9, and we have an 8-9 pair in here, so we can remove 8 from those candidates. This is from 2 and 3, and 8 on this row is here. And this now is a 4. 5 goes here, so this here is a 7, and this here is a 5. 7 here goes there. This is from 2 and 3. We're left with 1, 4, 9 on this row, so this is from 1, 9, this is from 4, 9. Here we need a 6 somewhere, but because of those 6s, that's a 6. This is an 8-9 pair. Seven goes here, just by Sudoku. So these contain a 2. So that's a 1, that's a 2. So those contain a 2, and this can only be 8 or 9. So we get an 8-9 pair here, and this is a 1-3 pair. This is 2 or 9, to 8 or 9. And this here can only be a 2 through the column. We need a 3 sum. Those are from 1, 3, and 4. So this is 1 or 3, this is 3 or 4. We need a 4 on this column. Because of that, the 4 goes there. And this disambiguates the 1-4 pairs. Those are 1s, those are 4s. And now this disambiguates all of that. 9 and 4. And this 9 disambiguates the 8-9 pairs as well. So now this is 8. Now 8. This is now 2, that's a 9. And those now are 3s, and the rest is standard Sudoku. So we get a 2 here, a 2 there, 1, 3. We complete the column with a 1. We complete this column with a 5. Here we need a 5 somewhere. It can only be here. We need 2 and 9. Here we need 2, 3, and 8. Not interesting. Here we need 1, 6, and 9. So the 1 is here, 6 is here, 9 is there. Six, 7, and 2. So that's the 2, that's the 7, that's the 6. 7 goes there, 3 and 8, so 3 and 8, and that's a 2, and that's a 3, and that's an 8. So this is a really nice clone Sudoku. There was no struggle involved, you just had to do some cross-examinations, and all just fell in place perfectly. And as usual with the variants, don't forget to do standard Sudoku reasoning from time to time. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.